Good morning, Jeff Koppel, realtor, former contractor. It's been a while since I've made a video, and we're having some cooler weather here in North Texas recently. And I know a lot of folks down here have heat pumps, pretty efficient system, combines the air conditioning unit with a heating unit. And, we have a lot of people that have those down here. Now, one interesting fact about a heat pump, once the heat gets below outside heat gets below about 40, a heat pump doesn't really work all that well without some help. And so most heat pump systems are designed with auxiliary heating elements in them for when the temperature does dip below 40 degrees. A lot of times when you have a heat pump, you'll notice that the outside unit, the condenser unit, will ice up. I mean, literally have ice on it. And particularly in situations where it's cold with high humidity. So, what can you do when it gets below 40? Well, I've got a thermostat here with me, and it's specifically for heat pumps. I'm just going to hold it up here. And you can see this switch right here controls from cold to off to heat. And then this one has EM heat. Sometimes they'll have like heat or ox heat. Basically, when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, what you want to do is switch that over to auxiliary or emergency heat, and that'll activate the heating elements within the heat pump. And what that'll do is it won't rely on heat source just from the outside condenser unit. Basically, the way a heat pump works, it's a air conditioner in reverse. Normally, AC pulls the hot air from inside and replaces it with cool air from the condenser. Basically, it compresses a gas and that allows the gas to expand. The expansion of that gas causes it to cool real quickly. Well, the heat pump, it basically reverses that process. Instead of introducing the cool gas to the inside of the house, it basically introduces the hot gas, as it is basically any liquid you pump pressure to is going to heat up. So that's how a heat pump works basically. So like I said, as soon as it gets below 40 degrees, it doesn't work that good anymore. So when you switch it to emergency or auxiliary heat on your thermostat, then it activates electric heating elements, similar to the elements that you have say in your oven or your clothes dryer. So anyway, I just thought that that would help people in this time of year around Texas, where we're not quite as used to some of the cooler weathers as some other parts of the country. But that's how you can get your heat pump to work more efficiently in the wintertime. And remember to change those filters every 6 months or so. Also, that'll help your unit last a lot longer as well. So if you have any questions that you might want to have answered, you can always send me a question via my email at jeffkoppel@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to create a video to help you out. So again, thanks for watching, and take care.